Hey guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera, and in this channel I talk beauty, I talk motherhood, health, hygiene, lifestyle, hair, just a little bit of everything. Please join the family, okay? Subscribe, click on the red button below and leave your notification on so that you will know when I upload new videos. So in case you're wondering why we're in the restroom, it's because I'm about to show you how I take care of my skin every night before going to bed. Actually, not every night, just when I feel like, because I have different ways that I take care of my skin, which I've shared so many of them in my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to clear your pimples and acne with tomatoes. One funny thing is that we have this in our kitchen, but we don't even know the words. People have acne and pimples and they have this in their kitchen and don't know that it can get rid of it. So today I'm going to show you how to use it to clear your pimples and blackheads, black spots, especially if it's mild. Okay, if it's mild, trust me, this will help you get a very smooth face. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep watching. Welcome back. There's nothing much. The number one thing that you're going to do is make sure that your face is clean. I'm going to use my wipe. I don't have any makeup on my face, as you can see. My face is neat. So what we're going to do is cut the tomato into two, just like that, and then take your time. Okay, there's no rush. Take your time, start rubbing it on your skin like that. Keep rubbing it for at least 5 minutes. Even under your eyes too. I'm going to tell you what to do if you have like a severe acne on your face, okay? When you're done with this routine, I'll show you what to do next. So continue like this for 5 minutes. Then when you're done, the next thing that you're going to do is leave it on your face for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Just leave it. Let it soak in. Please don't be a doubting Thomas, okay? Try this. I'm telling you, try it. You will be amazed. So 10 minutes after, what I do is use the wipe and wipe it off. So in case your face is highly pigmented or you have dark spots or severe acne on your face, when you're done with the tomatoes, the next thing that you're going to do is get your turmeric. Okay, turmeric, like that. Then add small water. I don't know if you can see, or let me get the phone down. Okay, let me get the phone down. You see? So add small water, okay? Small water, make a paste. Make a paste. just like that. So when you're done, this is what you're going to get. Now apply it to those places that you feel needs more help. You can use your finger if you don't mind. So just like that. Make sure to wear a cloth that you can get rid of, or just wear a black cloth, just like I did, because this turmeric can stain your clothes. So apply this. Just like that. When you're done applying it, leave it on your face for the next 10 minutes too. After 10 minutes, you wash everything off. So what I do is I use this Acne Ultimate Cream Cleanser to wash my face every night. And then when I'm done, they actually have a new Ultimate Day and Ultimate Night. So since it's night already, when I'm done with the cleanser, I now apply the moisturizer. So it's now 10 minutes. We're going to wash it, and please don't use the turmeric every day, okay? If you're going to be using the tomato every day, that's fine, but the turmeric should be like 3 times in a week, okay? Tomatoes every day, turmeric 3 times a week. So now that I'm done, I'll use the new cleanser. I can't even tell you how soft my face feels right now. I swear, it feels good. So let me wash this too. It's always good to do this when you're about to shower, so that you can shower at once. You know, wash the whole thing while showering. But if not, that's fine. So when I'm done with the cleansing, I now use the Acne Night. A little goes a long way. Don't even need much. Alright, yeah, that's it. I feel good. Okay, so that's it. Just when you're done with the whole thing, apply your favorite moisturizer, okay? And before you know it, I'm giving you 3 to 5 days, you will start seeing a huge difference. Tomato is very good on the skin, and then if it's severe, like I told you, you can now apply the turmeric too, okay? So try it and let me know if it worked for you in my comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and you learned something today. Please go ahead and subscribe, like and share this video. I promise you, if you join this channel, you're not gonna regret it, because there's so many interesting videos that I've already uploaded and more that I'm yet to upload. Alright, take care of you. Show more kindness anywhere you are, and I'll see you guys soon.